Hi everyone, welcome to the next video in the Perth Mint's new unboxing series. Today I'm going to show you the Great Southern Land 1 ounce silver proof blue lepidolite coin. This coin comes in a shipper and is housed in a case and comes with a numbered certificate of authenticity. The coin is protected by a pillow. Now I'm going to take it out and show you the design. This coin celebrates Australia's native flying species and native flora. It features a blue lepidolite insert in the centre of a coin. This particular stone is found exclusively in Western Australia. It's a lithium-bearing mineral which is said to hold calming properties. It was chosen to represent the colour of the sky. Around the insert are many different species of flying animals. We have a wedge-tailed eagle at the top, a kookaburra, a bee and a butterfly. On the obverse, we have the Jodie Clark effigy of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and radial lines. This is the third release in our Great Southern Land series, and this coin has a mintage of 5,000. If you're interested in purchasing it, visit perthmint.com or one of our authorised distributors.